And this slide is on the weaknesses and areas of improvement. Here on the first bullet point, we have their lack of the product range. Now, the small amount of their pre-owned vehicles available to purchase can give a competitor a great advantage. The second one is the R&D, which is the research and development, as well as the technology. Now, even though AutoNation has spent above the industry average on the research and development, it has not been able to compete with the leading players in the industry in terms of innovation. They definitely need to invest in new technologies to enhance this innovation. For the third one, they do have high employee attrition rates. Now, with these rates, a company will normally not hire new employees to fill some of these spots. Typically, in the situation, existing employees are often asked to do more, which leads them out the door. Now, they do have a lack of diversity in their stores. Now, this leads to a loss of talent due to the lack of different racial backgrounds. And last but not least, the excessive inventory on SUVs. Now, it's kind of like the first one, the lack of product range. They do have a lot of SUVs. Not everyone is looking for SUVs. The increase in the gas price can kill the SUV market as well. Now, this price can push the demand and supply. This adds economy gas mileage SUV with the increasing demand.